Don't press that tree, it's slippery.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
If you step
What tree?
right in the
Ah,
middle,
you mean this tree?
you
Ah!
have that.
The one you slipped on? Gee, thanks. What's your name again?
Vida.
Come on, don't scare people here.
Oh shoot, I'm stuck in it.
I know, I've gotten stuck in these shoes
Yeah.
a couple times.
Yeah. It's like,
Yeah.
and
And
okay,
some
sticky
cracks.
shoes. Don't stick right now.
Well, girls,
Yeah, it's like you
Okay,
try to.
please.
So much.
Las Vegas hiking.
At least we have a gentleman or two on this side.
Oh, yeah. It's stuck again. Oh my god.
Too much crack?
No, this shoe is skinny,
Yeah.
so it's go in that crack and won't want to come
And then
out.
it doesn't let go.
Yeah.
Are they one and the same?
Yeah. Well, no.
Do you have one bad hand and the other bad wrist?
No.
Holy moly,
I just
You're
didn't want to
bigger mess
put,
than
I
I
didn't
am.
want to
I didn't know
hold
that
the
was
rope with
possible.
my weaker hand. Thanks for the moral support. And I have reasonable strength, but it's just I don't want it to be that when it gives out. Because he keeps telling me 6 months minimum.